You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. There are more videos for you. Pronounced in English as Fiona. In Spanish it's pronounced Fiona, 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 with an A sound, but in English pronounced as Fiona, Fiona, Fiona. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.